and welcome back to our channel Zeeglobalvision Services. Today our topic is about the impact of different hertz on brain waves, understanding the power of frequencies. Our brains are incredible, complex machines that generate electrical activity known as brain waves. These brain waves are associated with different states of consciousness, emotions, and cognitive functions. In recent years, research has shown that external stimuli, particularly frequencies expressed in hertz, can significantly influence brainwave activity. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of brainwaves and delve into how different hertz frequencies can impact our mental states, emotions, and overall well-being. Theta waves are associated with wakeful and active states of consciousness. When we are fully awake, alert, and engaged in cognitive tasks, our brains generate beta waves. These frequencies help with focus, problem solving, and critical thinking. Alpha waves emerge when we are in a relaxed and calm state. They are often associated with a meditative or daydreaming mindset. Alpha brainwaves promote creativity, reduce stress, and enhance overall mental clarity. Theta waves are linked to deep relaxation, dreaming, and the subconscious mind. These frequencies play a crucial role in memory consolidation and accessing deeper parts of our consciousness. Delta waves are the slowest brainwave frequencies and are typically observed during deep sleep. They promote restorative sleep and physical healing, making them essential for overall health and well-being. Gamma waves are the fastest brainwave frequencies and are associated with high level of cognitive functions and peak performance. They are linked to enhanced memory, learning, and problem-solving skills. Binaural beats involve playing two slightly different frequencies in each ear, leading the brain to perceive a third rhythmic frequency. This process is known as brainwave entrainment, and it can be used to influence brainwave activity for various purposes such as relaxation or focus. Understanding the power of different hertz frequencies on brainwave activity opens up exciting possibilities for personal growth and well-being. By harnessing the potential of brainwave entrainment and recognizing how specific frequencies impact our mental states, we can improve focus, reduce stress, enhance creativity, and even optimize our sleep patterns. Experimenting with binaural beats and other brainwave techniques can offer a unique and accessible way to enhance various aspects of our lives. However, it's essential to approach brainwave entrainment with an open mind and seek professional guidance when needed. So let's dive into this captivating world of brainwave frequencies and explore the profound impact they can have on our mind and lives. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for future updates on videos. And also, if you have any questions, please leave the comments in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to check our other videos on our channel on different topics. Thank you for watching and hope to see you guys in our next video.